The DS820 from DNP is a dye sublimation photo printer that prints up to a maximum of 20 by 80 centimeters. There are a total of 40 possible combinations of print formats and finishes. For example, standard 20 by 30 centimeters and A4 size prints, square photos of 20x 27, smaller photos of 15x 27, and panorama photos up to 80 centimeter wide. The printer works universally with almost all programs on Windows and Mac OS. The DS820 prints 4 finishes without changing paper. For instance, you can print matte and glossy by adjusting a setting in the driver. It is also possible to combine matte and glossy finishes in one photo to create a special watermark effect. Printing a 20 by 30 centimeters photo takes less than 35 seconds. The printer has a special rewind function. Print even numbers of 15 by 20 centimeters photos and a separate 20 by 30 centimeters photo from one roll of paper, without paper loss. The DS820 is known for its high quality prints on both standard and premium DNP paper, with a beautiful display of colors and always a guaranteed number of prints per box of media. Now we'll see how to position the paper and ribbon in the printer. Here's the 820. There is a lever located at the bottom. By pressing the lever with your hand, does the front of the printer come out in this manner. Then you have the ribbon tray positioned here. In this tray you can place the ribbon. The ribbon tray is designed to hold and organize the ribbon. Can only be done in one way. The yellow cap must always be here on the right front. Then you let it click in this specific manner. On the other hand, you also perform the task or activity in question. This is the way you secure it. And what is also important is to tightly roll up the foil in this manner. And then you release the ribbon along with the ribbon tray, allowing it to descend into the printer located at the rear. Then we still need to position the paper. There is a blue lever designated for this purpose. Press the blue lever. Does this front come up like this? Do we take out the collection tray for the leftover strips? Here we have the 2 toilet paper holders. You can still adjust the roll holders for use with, for example, A4 paper and 20x30 paper. Could you please adjust this to ensure it is the right size? Currently, it is not necessary. We will work with our standard paper for now. The paper roll, it slides very smoothly over the roll holder. You just click the other side on top of it. It doesn't matter, by the way, which side is left and which side is right. Both of them are exactly the same. And then you let this whole thing fall into the printer with the paper rolling down towards this side of the machine. Then roll the paper backwards until you hear 2 beeps. And then you know that the paper is placed correctly in the printer. The collection tray can be placed back in the printer at the front. This valve can be closed again. And we slide this whole thing back into the housing. Several white test prints are coming out of the printer, ensuring no fingerprints on the actual prints of the paper later. The printer is then ready for use. Thank you for watching this video. For more information or to place an order, visit bnl.eu.